Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a brief session on word formation. What's word formation? It's a process to create new words by using various linguistic ways in a language. So there are various ways, different methods to create new words in a language. And this sort of process is called word formation. Suppose we have affixation, compounding, clipping, back formation, blending, acronym, etc. First of all, we have affixation and its types. The process of attachment of affixes or morphemes with the root word is called affixation. Basically, it's the attachment of affixes, which we may also call morphemes. Morphemes, the smallest unit of a language that may or may not be meaningful. Types of affixes which are used to create new words. Prefixation, here its name also denotes very clearly. Prefix plus root word, which we also call stem word. We have example unhappy. So here un is a prefix, whereas happy is a root word. So this is the example of prefixation. Suffixation, here root word comes first, and after root word there is a suffix. Here we have example kindness. Kind is a root word. Infixation, here root word plus affix plus root word. So affix is surrounded by two root words. Infixation is not common in English language. Well, it's very common in Greek language or in some American languages. Here we have example sister-in-law. This additional s is just like an infix because sister is root word, in-law is root word, and this affix is surrounded by two root words. In the same way, we can have the example of brother-in-law, and that would be changed into brothers-in-law. We can have examples passerby. So passers-by. Well, the next example is circumfixation. This is the next type. Here, root word is surrounded by prefix and suffix. For example, we have unbearable. Un is prefix, bear is root word, able is suffix. So these are the main types of affixes, and these processes are called affixation. Compounding, it's a combination of two or more words to create a new word. For example, book is one word, shelf is other, and when these two words combine, the new word we have is bookshelf. Bookstore, classroom, class fellow. So two words are combining to create a new word, and this is called compounding. Clipping, it means to clip, to cut, to shorten. So the shortening of a word by removing one or more parts or syllables without changing its meaning is called clipping. Types with examples. Initial clipping. When initial part is clipped or removed, shortened, as we have example, telephone. Tele is removed and phone is the remaining syllable we often use, and there is no change in the meaning. Final clipping. If we have the clipping of final part of the word, as we can find out here. Examination. After clipping, the new word would be exam. Meanings are same. Back formation. This is another linguistic strategy to create new words. The formation of a word by removing suffix usually, but the category of new word is changed. Usually, noun is changed into a verb by removing its suffix or ending part. For example, correction, correct. Here we have another examples. Television, televise. This is verb. Editor, noun, and here we have verb, edit. So words are being created here by removing suffix usually. Blending. It's a merging of parts or syllables from two or more words to create a new word. Here whole words are not combined as we find in compounding, but here initial part of first word is combined with the ending part of second word. For example, smoke plus fog. Here the letters or syllables or parts of word shown in red. Smoke, smoke. This is the initial part. Ga sound has been taken from the second word. So smoke is a new word. That means the presence of smoke and fog. Breakfast plus lunch. A new word is created, that is brunch. It means breakfast plus lunch. Motor plus hotel, and the new word is motel. So in blending, both the words lose their identity and they are converted into new word. Acronyms. Basically, here words are formed by using the initial letter of each word. So the abbreviations formed from the initial letters of different words but used as a word. Very common example we have Wabda, UNO, and here we have very simple examples. Artificial intelligence, AI, computer science, CS, grade point average, GPA. In short, word formation is a linguistic art to be learned and practiced. Thank you very much.